Which car famously hides an umbrella inside the door? The options are A. Bentley Continental GT, B. Rolls-Royce Phantom, C. Mercedes-Benz S-Class. The correct answer is Rolls-Royce Phantom. Which car's headlight logo projection greets you when you unlock it? The options are A. BMW 7 Series, B. Audi A8, C. Jaguar XF. The correct answer is BMW 7 Series. Which car has a hidden chiller box in the rear seat for champagne? The options are A. Range Rover Autobiography, B. Mercedes Maybach S680, C. Rolls-Royce Ghost. The correct answer is Rolls-Royce Ghost. Which SUV features a secret umbrella compartment built into the front door? The options are A. Skoda Superb, B. Toyota Fortuner, C. Hyundai Tucson. The correct answer is Skoda Superb. Which sports car hides its door handles flush with the body for aerodynamics? The options are A. Porsche Taycan, B. Tesla Model S, C. BMW i8. The correct answer is Tesla Model S. Which compact SUV comes with a hidden drawer under the passenger seat? The options are A. Renault Duster, B. Nissan Magnite, C. Hyundai Creta. The correct answer is Hyundai Creta. Which car's air conditioning system includes a perfume diffuser? The options are A. Mercedes-Benz S-Class, B. Lexus LS, C. BMW 5 Series. The correct answer is Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Which hatchback hides an umbrella holder in the door trim, inspired by luxury cars? The options are A. Tata Altroz, B. Hyundai i20, C. Maruti Baleno. The correct answer is Tata Altroz. Which electric car has a hidden front trunk under the bonnet? The options are A. Mahindra XUV 400, B. Tata Nexon EV, C. Tesla Model 3. The correct answer is Tesla Model 3. Which car offers a hidden, cooled glove box for snacks and drinks? The options are A. Skoda Kushaq, B. Maruti Brezza, C. Honda City. The correct answer is Skoda Kushaq. Which Indian SUV has a hidden third-row AC vent switch behind the cup holder? The options are A. Tata Safari, B. Mahindra XUV 700, C. AMG Hector Plus. The correct answer is Mahindra XUV 700. Which car automatically adjusts its seat to the perfect position when you enter? The options are A. Honda Accord, B. Hyundai Verna, C. Lexus ES300H. The correct answer is Lexus ES300H. Which sedan offers hidden ambient lighting that changes color with drive mode? The options are A. BMW 3 Series, B. Skoda Slavia, C. Toyota Camry. The correct answer is BMW 3 Series. Which compact car hides an umbrella in the passenger side door, like its luxury cousin? The options are A. Volkswagen Polo, B. Skoda Fabia, C. Honda Jazz. The correct answer is Skoda Fabia. Which SUV features a hidden button to lower the boot for easy loading? The options are A. Kia Seltos, B. Jeep Compass, C. Range Rover. The correct answer is Range Rover. Which car includes hidden night vision cameras in its grille? The options are A. Mercedes EQS, B. Audi A8, C. BMW X6. The correct answer is Audi A8. Which electric car's door opens automatically when you approach it? The options are A. BMW i4, B. Hyundai Ioniq 5, C. Tesla Model X. The correct answer is Tesla Model X. Which SUV hides a foldable picnic table in its boot? The options are A. Range Rover Autobiography, B. Toyota Land Cruiser, C. Volvo XC90. The correct answer is Range Rover Autobiography. Which Indian SUV offers a built-in air purifier with AQI display for cleaner cabin air? The options are A. Tata Harrier, B. Hyundai Creta, C. Mahindra XUV 700. The correct answer is Hyundai Creta. Which car hides a 12V socket and USB port in its center console? The options are A. Hyundai Alcazar, B. Kia Sonet, C. Tata Nexon. The correct answer is Hyundai Alcazar. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe to Fajura IQ for more fun quizzes.